Okay, so here's our enclosure for the fig tree, our high value fruit. Grapes are cheap, but getting fresh figs is difficult and very expensive, so it was well worth trying to protect it. And just so happened we saw a program on a yurt the night before we put this up, and I suddenly had a flash of putting chicken mesh around the bottom and use the conduit that we got to try and retrieve a drone as the framework. And then we just went out and bought a 4x4 metre sheet of bird net, and it's worked well. The real final trick was to use clothes pegs down the bottom to hold the mesh, chicken mesh and the bird's nest together, and that's worked well. So next year we plan to have higher chicken netting and attach the bird net higher up. But the conduit that we thought, well, that was a waste of money, we'll never use it for anything else, has turned out to be a brilliant investment. We called it the aviary at first because the first few days we had holes in it, and first little birds, then one medium-sized bird got in, so I'd pull it up in the morning and shoo them away. But lately, with more clothes pegs, we seem to have done the trick. So I'll just pull back here for a better long shot in the morning light, and then I'll think about putting something up.